Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add social media icons Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is make sure you are not on the editor mode on Squarespace. So I'm gonna click on exit over here on the top left. And now from here, just simply go to the settings over here on the sidebar. And now just simply go for social links over here. And after that, just simply connect your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So let's say I'm gonna go for my Facebook. Let's say my profile URL on Facebook is this one. And after that, make sure to check show social icon and click on save. And now it will be visible. And now when we go to the X over here on the top right, and we should be able to see our socials over here. And after that, guys, you can connect your Twitter as well and Instagram. And from there, when people click on it, it will redirect them to your page. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.